A very good morning to all our viewers out there. You're watching News 9 Live. I'm Shriya Kundu and today is the D-Day for the Lok Sabha polls of 2024. It's June 4th, the counting day. And well, the counting of votes polled in all 7 phases of Lok Sabha elections is set to begin. Well, all arrangements are in place to start the vote counting at the counting centres. India set a world record with 642 million registered voters this polling season. And this is 1.5 times the voters of all G7 countries and 2.5 times the voters of 27 countries in the European Union. Well, a record-breaking 312 million women participated in this polling process. And well, postal ballots will be counted first, and after only half an hour, the EVM counting shall begin. Exit polls have projected a big win for the Prime Minister Modi-led NDA, and the opposition India bloc has dismissed the exit polls and claims that it will win at least 295 seats and form the next government. Well, so these are the latest updates for you for the day to begin with, and well, we will keep bringing you all the latest happenings from across the country. And currently, we're being joined by our colleagues to bring us all the latest updates from different headquarters across the nation. Right now, we have Nivriti Mohan with us, who is currently at the BJP headquarters. Nivriti, a very good morning to you. Very crucial day currently. Do help us understand your location, and if we are to understand that you are indeed at the BJP headquarter office, do help us understand the preparations that are ongoing there. Are they looking for a third sweep in the national capital? Have they already begun with their preparations for the celebration?
Right, as you have also mentioned that it is a record-breaking election, and in many terms, whether it is in terms of voters who have been registered, in terms of women voters, in terms of one of the longest election in the history of India's democracy. The election was held in 7 phases, and after the first elections that were held in India, after those elections, this is the longest elections in the history of India. And right now, where I am standing is, if the exit polls, various exit polls are to be believed, will be the most important location in the country today, if the exit polls are to be believed. So this is BJP headquarters in Delhi, and you can see the preparations are already on because it is early in the morning, so you won't see much of the crowd over here right now. But you can see news channels, people from news channels, reporters, camera persons already present here and covering the event, covering the biggest event of the democracy. Elections results are to be announced today, and exit polls indicate that this is the location where most activity is going to happen during the daytime. And you can see this preparations are also here for heat wave conditions if it is hot in the day. So this shade entire area has been covered, so that when people or the activists of BJP, they arrive here to celebrate if the results are in BJP's favor. So they come here and stand in shade. They are in shade, they are not in the sun. These preparations have been already made here, and inside the headquarters, inside the BJP office, there are proper arrangements for various media houses. The stalls have been allotted, reporters, camera persons, and the workers from the news channels are already here to cover the biggest event of the day. And not only the day, but biggest event as far as the election of the government and formation of the government is concerned. Today is the D-Day, and it is the result day. It is going to decide which is the party that is going to form the government in the country. And if as the exit polls suggest, not only the exit polls of our organization, but the various exit polls of various organizations, they indicate, none of them indicate less than 350 seats for NDA. So this is going to be the place which will see the most of activity in the day today.
Absolutely, Nivriti. In fact, we'll come back to you with regards to understanding who are the major leaders who are slated to be at the BJP headquarters to celebrate this occasion, whichever way it might actually head towards. And right now on your screens, you can also see that one seat has already been won by the NDA. This is the Surat seat that we are speaking of. Remember, it was uncontested. So the BJP is already, the NDA rather, has already bagged one seat with that regard. But let's also take a look at some of these reactions that's come in early this morning as well as from last night, well, as we were leading up to the counting day of June 4th, which is the D-Day today.
जनता जो तय कर दी है कि तीसरी बार माननीय प्रधानमंत्री आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी फिर प्रधानमंत्री का शपथ लेंगे तो लेंगे, जनता तय कर चुकी है।
मतलब 400 पार या कुछ कोर कर सर आप छोड़ रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल जनता तय कर दी है कि 400 पार एनडीए को इस बार कराएंगे।
जब वो कह रहे हैं कि 295 हमारा है।
देखिए, खड़गे जी के यहाँ जो मीटिंग हुई थी, एक बड़े झुंड में लोग वहाँ पहुँचे थे, इंडियन घमंडिया गठबंधन के लोग, और हताशा, निराशा, हार स्पष्ट रूप से उनके शब्दों में दिखाई पड़ता था, भाव में दिखाई पड़ता, उनकी छटपटाहट दिखाई पड़ती थी कि इस देश की जनता ने किस प्रकार से इंडिया गठबंधन को नकार कर माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी में अपार विश्वास व्यक्त की है। और जब बिल्ली गुस्साती है ना तो खंभा नोचती है, तो तरह तरह की बातें करने लगी कि 295 सीट हमको मिलने वाला है, बिहार में हम 25 से ज़्यादा सीट ले लेंगे। यह बिल्कुल बकवास है। बिहार में 40 की 40 सीट एनडीए जीतेगी और पूरे देश भर में एक विपक्ष को मर्यादा लायक भी सांसद उसको नहीं मिलने वाले हैं। तो बोलने के लिए चंद घंटे आप बोल रहे हैं कि बचाए चंद घंटे और बोल लें, फिर कल से उनकी बोलती बंद हो जाएगी। जनता तो उनकी बोलती बंद करा दी है।
अच्छा, जितने विपक्ष के नेता हैं वो एक पिछले 24 घंटे से जितनी संवैधानिक संस्थाएं हैं या चुनाव की प्रक्रिया है, मतगणना की प्रक्रिया है, अचानक उन पे क्यों सवाल खड़े होने लगे हैं?
देखिए, सब हार को देखकर इंडी गठबंधन वाले लोग तरह तरह की अफवाहें, भ्रम और झूठ बोलने का काम कर रहे हैं, आरोप लगाने का काम कर रहे हैं। देखिए, ईवीएम मशीन प्रमाणिक है, इस पर तो कोर्ट का भी निर्णय आ चुका है। और जब कभी भी छोटी मोटी उनकी जीत इस 10 वर्षों में हुई है, उसे ईवीएम ठीक होता है और प्रक्रिया ठीक होती है, बाकी सब लोग उस समय ठीक होते हैं। जनता वोट देती है और जनता के दिए हुए वोट को कोई चुरा नहीं सकता है। यह इसलिए बोल रहे हैं कि पहले यह उनके स्वभाव में था, जनता वोट देती थी और उसको हड़प लेते थे, उसमें गलती करने की कोशिश करते थे और करते भी थे। और लोकतंत्र में भरोसा एनडीए को है और लोकतंत्र के पर्व को इस देश के मतदाताओं ने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से बनाया है। हम तो धन्यवाद देना चाहेंगे चुनाव आयोग को कि बहुत अच्छे तरीके से चुनाव कराया है और चुनाव इतना बढ़िया तरीके से संपन्न हुआ है। इतने बड़े मतदाताओं वाले देश और इतने बड़े लोकतंत्र की भूमि भारत में जो लोकतंत्र का पर्व मनाया गया है, जिस प्रकार से मतदान हुआ है, लोग इसकी सराहना कर रहे हैं। दुनिया के कई संस्थाएं सोच रही हैं कि अब हम इस पर रिसर्च करें, कितने मतदाताओं वाला देश में लोकतंत्र का पर्व लोग ऐसे मनाते हैं। तो इस प्रक्रिया की या प्रणाली की सराहना हो रही है और महागठबंधन वाले हार के कारण ऐसे बोल रहे हैं।